Well, hello there. It's been a while, so I thought I would reintroduce myself. Hi, I'm Danielle, your cleaning bestie. I basically clean my house on the internet. My account went viral back in lockdown and oh my god, it was thriving. At the moment, it's not so thriving. So if you do see this, please do say hi. I promise I do not bite. Unless you want me to. I thrive off calm and I thrive off chaos. There is no in between. Cleaning is my therapy. I love a clean and tidy space. My motto around here is we clean smarter, not harder. I love to share my cleaning tips and tricks, my favourite cleaning tools and my cleaning routine. I'm just a normal girlie trying to survive adult life and hopefully helping all you other girlies along the way too. I'd like to say I am a very clean girl, but I'm also very lazy as well, so anything that's going to make the clean up so much easier I'm going to share with you guys because we don't get keep around here. Sharing's caring. I will share everything apart from my fiance. He's mine. Yep, I have a man-child fiance named Thomas and we have 2 fur babies named Get My Spark Back. Oh, I almost forgot to mention I am a shopaholic, so I'd also like to take you guys along with me on my shopping trips, Amazon hauls, the lot. So if this sounds like a bit of you, then follow along for the crazy cleaning journey.